Hey guys, and welcome to today's item shop. It's pretty cool what we got. First of all, we can always look at this limited time offer which is still available. Yes, it's Yellow Jacket. Now we also have Blaze. So let's just take a look at Blaze right here. And let's take a look at the back bling, which is my favorite part about this whole thing, I think. Anyways, one of the harvesting tools that I find really cool is this one right here. I can't wait to see how it actually looks and works with the Chug skin. We also got the Slurp series wrap right here. And of course, Big Chuggus. With of course its back bling, which is actually the skin that I use to play creative. Now this rare wrap is one of my favorites for sure. And right now we've got Deadeye. Plus of course you have to have this harvesting tool if you buy that skin. Right now we also have Maverick, which is actually a skin that one of the giveaway winners won. So he actually chose this as his prize. So you guys can look at back in the history of winners and you will see one of the winners actually chose this skin to be his prize. This skin also came out, which is one of my favorites as well for sure. And we also got this back bling, which is pretty cute. Of course we got some emotes right here. This one as well. And this might be one of those that you have to have. Rock, paper, scissors. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.